Holy smokes. What's this? Oh, Deer Run. Deer Run.
Town limits.
Town limits. No Jake breaks.
There's something up there.
What the heck we got here?
Is this one of those desert bars?
Got cornhole.
Where are you parking tomorrow?
Snow gauge.
Well, hold on until these guys coming up.
Right. I used to ride through here 20-some years ago when we had a whole group riding like you guys are riding today. We used to come down across over here from the Erdman mine and over the top of the hill and come down through here. And I always said I was going to make something out of this. This had a bunch of all over it. I cleaned it all off and we started building this. And I started this in 2006. And then over the years, people have helped with it and done different things. More chairs have been brought in. And then my wife passed away 2 years ago and they made a memorial for her here. She's in, her ashes and everything are in there. So it's quite unique and a lot of history here.
So you must be Jerry.
I am Jerry, yes, yes. Yep, we started and then really, I'm really happy because I'm not taking care of it anymore. There's other people in Rainbow Acres that are doing it. They put up new flags this year, they brought new chairs out. So we got a lot of new stuff and I'm really proud of it. And the people really like it here.
It's nice.
It's really
Quite
neat.
unique.
Huh?
It's quite unique.
Yes, it is. And you know, socially, it's a nice place for everybody to come and visit, you know?
2020 races.
Oh, is that the swimming hole?
It says nude swimming after 8.
Thank you for visiting Deer Run Resort. See you next time. Okie dokie. Need a new truck. That's where the hood goes. That was back at that resort.
Oh, yeah.
Yep. Yep. That's right where the hood goes. Dust over there. Oh, you're talking about right here. Duh. Yeah.
Clear the rock.
Yeah. Rough road. Remove dentures. Tighten bra straps.